Today I will be presenting to you the segmentation demo. This is a web application we developed at PSNC at Psychosensing Laboratory, and it allows us to segment a particular organ from the CT image and to automatically perform radiomic features calculation on this segment. So how this example works: here we have some example models which were pre-trained and shared as part of the MONAI project, MONAI initiative, and we use those models and the example data from the MONAI project in order to implement our application. So today we will run the spleen segmentation on one of the images, and let's see how this works. So in the background, the algorithm, the model is segmenting the image, and what we will get is the segment on which the radiomics features will be calculated using radiomics software. And this application is running at our internal resources. Here we can see the result of the segmentation. So here is the spleen, and this segment was segmented pretty good, although we have some additional segments here in this mask. So the organ itself was segmented pretty good. We can download this segmentation here, this visualization. We can also download as NIfTI the segment that was created by the algorithm. Here we can see the features of this segment, which we can also download as CSV file. And the additional functionality here is that you can upload your own CT image in NIfTI format. Then you select the model, which organ you would like to segment from this base image, and you click run, and you get pretty similar results to those we just saw. Here are some basic information about which data were used in this example, that we used the MONAI resources for that, and here is the information on the authors of this application. Thank you very much for now, and goodbye.